Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up notifications that your customers get. So the Bumper app allows you to automate some things like the emails your customers get on the status of their order. So for example, if you want your customer to get an email that lets them know that their order has been created or has been shipped out or delivered or returned, you can set up those notifications, and once you take any of these actions, your customers will get a notification telling them that this is the status of what it is. So to do that, you are in full control now, by the way, of what your customers can get or what you do not want them to get. So to do that, first of all, navigate to General Settings on the left side of your screen. So let's come here to General Settings. And then in these options, click on Notifications, and then we have Customer Notifications. So as you can see, we've broken down everything, and all you need to do is toggle on or toggle off what you want or what you don't want. So let's start from the first one. So order created notifications, send email to your customer letting them know their order has been created. So this is when you create an order on the Bumper app. If you want your customers to be notified via email, then you toggle this on right here. So if you leave it off, then they won't get an email when an order has been created. Now the next one is for when their order has been marked as paid for and confirmed. If you want them to get an email about this, you toggle this on, otherwise you leave it off. Then here is if you want them to get an email when their order has been marked as returned. Now, remember that when you take these actions on the Bumper app, these emails would go out. So these actions are in the orders section of the app. So next is when the order has been marked as picked up. If you want them to get an email, then you toggle on. If you don't want them to, you toggle off, and then on and on like that. So here is when it has been marked as shipped or delivered. Here is when the order has been cancelled. Here is when the order has been marked as awaiting shipping. And here is when the order has been marked as packed and ready for shipping. So like I said, you can toggle on whichever one you want on or off, but you are in full control of this, and whichever one you leave on, your customers will get that notification when you take that action. So once you're done toggling on and off whichever one you want, ensure to click on save to make sure that you save all of the options that you have set. And that's it for customer notifications. I will see you in the next video.